So it is actually a private property, so you shouldn't go there. Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today we're hiking Mount Molson. So the Mount Molson trail is a short trail that is actually near Mount Saint-Sauveur in the Laurentians, Quebec. Well, it's very muddy and very slippery. I fell and I'm like covered in mud. It's a very short hike. It's only 3.5 kilometers. When nature makes statues. When you get into the mountain, it's better marked. So you have like pink markers, and it's not as bad as at the beginning. But at the beginning, don't miss the trail. That's the only thing, is you need to cut on your right. And if you miss it like I did, well, you'll continue near the houses. That's the only issue. After that, it's not too bad. Okay, that was so cool. When you get close to the border, there's a lot of rocks, and there must be some caves down there, which you can't reach, obviously, but there's bats. There was bats flying around. They won't stop, so it's really hard to capture them. I don't know if I did. I tried, but they're so fast, and they were mostly babies, but they were just flying everywhere during daylight. I don't know much about bats, but I never seen live bats in daylight like this. Never. Outside in the open. I'm gonna have a snack, relax a bit. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna show it to you better. These little things, it's like a cake. I mix a lot of things together. It's a pack of a lot of carbs and a lot of power. Helps you, very, very tasty. So easy to make. If you're interested, I'll put the recipe at the end of the video. So I'll show you what it looks like. It's very yummy, it's very good. It's better when you warm it up, but you can freeze them. Very easy to freeze. It will last a long time, and then you can just leave them in your bag and your backpack, and it will be ready to eat, because you can eat them pretty cold. It's fine. They're soft. The trail is confusing again. It's supposed to be a loop, but when you reach almost the end of it, to get back to your car, it's a private property, and it says you cannot go there, you know, dogs and everything and cameras, and don't go there. And there's a sign bringing you towards another street which is 0.7 kilometers away. Everywhere I check, the loop goes right into that property, and it says not to go through it, so I'm not going to take any chances. Okay, I'm back in my car. Well, there's a problem here. It's actually all a private property. There's a lot of confusion with AllTrails and Gaia and all these. Apparently there's a fight going on, a legal fight. I spoke with someone working there. It's a huge property. Like, everything is owned by someone. They have a lot of problems because you know, it's shown as a hiking trail everywhere. So they have a hard time having people not crossing, you know, the limits. They don't mind that much, just regular hikers, but there's like people that comes and makes fires and stuff like this, so they don't like that. They weren't angry, they were just letting me know that is actually a private property. So I won't go back there. I will not tell you to go there, because I don't think it's fair, and they are in a legal fight about this. So I think as a matter of respect, I will say not to go there. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any future video. Thanks for watching.